So today I'm at the club. This is the day after the competition, and I wanted to see, or I wanted to get a practice running, because now I kind of know which routes they were taking, like coming down this section, then going up that section. So now what I'm going to do is recreate those routes, try and follow them with my truck. It's the very first time I'm here with my truck, with my competition truck. Let me just swing over to this. So this is my little competition truck that I've got here, and literally purchased it yesterday. So there was a guy that ran the competition, and he knew a guy that was selling his truck, and I thought, let me get into this. Okay, let's get on the trail. Let's see what this little truck can do. So seeing that I know so little about my own truck, I kind of know this is from Holmes Hobbies. This motor, it's an outrunner, and it is a snub nose. Okay, snub nose, 2040 kilowatts. So touching the throttle, I've never had this system before, have no idea what kind of chassis this is, no idea what my shocks are. So this is all the stuff I have to learn. Looking at it from upside down, let's just flip it around quickly. I have got the smallest prop shaft in the front that I have ever seen, and I have the longest prop shaft in the rear. So yesterday, this was the starting point, and what you don't see in my video is how thin that ledge is actually comparing to the truck. That is brutal. So now I know why they were getting stuck on that. Then they would go up onto this ledge and follow this route all the way up to the top, and that is super steep. I'm gonna try and recreate that quickly. Okay. Let's see how I can get this truck over this section. Already bottoming out. Not a good sign, is it? Really stuck on this piece here. There's actually like a negative little rock that comes out of there. Now there's a brushless outrunner in here. Don't ask me too much technical data on the truck. I have no idea basically, and I'm messing this up quite a bit already. Let's get those front wheels onto that. Now this is also like a negative rock that you can just drive into and get stuck on like crazy. I'm going to try and get my wheel over that and immediately turn right. Yeah, made it, not bad. But my back axle got stuck exactly on that hook. Great. Okay, this was the next section that they went up. Let me see how I can whittle myself around this. Amazing. That was quite easy. Now they kind of went on a right turn. There's a bit of a shudder in my truck. Let's swing over. And what we did is we kind of now go up to the right. I don't even know. I think there was a gate in this hill. Let me actually move the camera and try and create that section without any gates. I think there was a gate in here. I think these two marks is where the gate was. So let's see if I can pass that gate. more practice, eh? What do you guys think? Let me just repo it. Pass through this gate, then go straight. There's another 2 spots over here. Time doing a downhill crawl with this, and yeah, it's super controlled. I love these setups that they have got going here. Just speed it up a bit, go around, and then go up this. I can get this kind of right. And my phone is wiggling. Oh my god. There goes my phone. As I say, it's wiggling in the wind. Great. So I just broke my selfie stick, which doesn't help. Now I've just put my phone onto a little rock. Let's see if it's enough. I need both hands on the controller to get this done. I try to film it with camera in the hand, but it doesn't work. These guys, they went straight up this ledge, which is brutally steep. And there we go, already losing traction. Stay there. Put that back down. Hey. Wow. Don't stop now. Last gate, there's 2 marks over here, but I think it was kind of standing this way or that way, I don't remember. So the last gate was basically on this side here, which is quite brutal. So what they were doing, they were hooking their left tire onto this ridge. Okay, here she goes. And then what they would do is they'd speed it up and fly through the gate. But I kind of don't know how I'm going to do this. Being my first time, my truck also doesn't seem to be sitting as good as theirs. Or maybe it's just me. No, this obstacle is not for me, as you can see. Yeah, I call that a fail and denied. I can keep my front wheels tight enough to turn without falling off this little ladder system. And there we go. Perfect. So this is a little off to the left. No, to the right. Going straight up. Now I gotta kind of find my way to turn in, and that part gets quite steep. Oh, like this is so easy. Wow. Okay, now I've got to just concentrate. This is a bit slippery. These tires do a fantastic job, I must say. I'm just stunned for my first time run. Okay, now I have to kind of make it down this section here. Go up and just hook a left. As steep as I can do it. Okay, now I've got to try and wheel my front wheels onto that ledge. And a little bit more, so when I do put power on, that front wheel will drive onto that rock. Let's do that very slowly. And she's going already. Will I make it? Ooh, no, 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 no. Damn it. Repo. Okay, repo. Got my tire onto that little ledge, little rock, and easy does it. Still doing one-handed driving here. Jesus, why is that so difficult? There we go. That is better without steering. So I was doing a left turn and then I just went straight to get out of that little dip. Strong left turn, a right turn, sorry, to get my tire onto that little cement piece over there. Very nice. This thing just sits in the rocks. Unbelievable.